The weekend collaboration is also almost here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so we can watch the next as we wait for
Okay,
done.
okay.
Sure.
In the last section, we generated our
Finish.
Sorry. Bye. See you tomorrow. Hi, Peter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've just finished the video.
Okay.
Yeah. Lyra, no? No. Shika. Yeah. So I think I should try and let me calm her down.
Okay.
Yeah. Today is a bad day. So what I got from the video is that first he goes for the semantic UI site.
Yep. Yes.
So UI.com, and then is it the get started? I think. No, the CDN. I think it's
Yeah.
yeah.
I usually just search for it in Google, honestly,
Yeah.
because I like going through all that.
And then I look for semantic. UI.css.
The minimized version of it.
No, this is not. No, this is not finding anything. Yeah, this one. Semantic.me.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That one.
And then in the public index.html, we create a link. So href. And then we confirm by seeing this thing. And then after that, in our search bar component, search bar component, we add div, class name, UI, item, I'm not sure.
Sorry? Right?
The div of the div on the search bar return. They want to make it
Yeah, it's UI and segment.
UI segment. And then here we have a form. Class name. UI
Form.
form. Then we have the label. Label has no class name, but it's just search video. And then you have the input. Input type text. I'm not sure if it has another class.
The input doesn't have a class.
Yeah, but then now so that we have it also show some margin at the top. So this input will have a class name of search bar. No, this div.
Yes.
This div will have
it's hyphen bar.
Search bar.
And also the label and the input HTML or JSX tags are in a div together. Yeah.
Like here?
Yeah.
What's the class name of the div?
Yeah, it's field.
UI field.
It's just field, I think. It's just field. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I remember that now. And then now I go to this guy.
Mm-hmm.
And then this guy, I think there was a div around it.
Yes.
Uh, search bar.
Mm-hmm.
And then this was this had a class name
Mm-hmm.
of
That
UI
was
item. UI
container.
container, yes. Container. And then let me just see.
Yeah, look. Okay.
So is it not yet? There's something I've missed somewhere.
No.
Yeah, because you see, this should have something at the top. Okay, but I think that's fine. And then
No, it's. I think it's the same. I think it should look like this. No.
let me see yours.
Oh no, it's. I'm not sharing, but I think if you check in the video.
Yeah.
I don't remember if there was a margin on the top or not.
In this section, we're going to
So let me see. Yes, seems like no. I think there's not at the end.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, there's not. Okay. So the other thing that he did was to make the search bar what's controlled.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And how he did that, he created a state
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
an empty text,
Mm-hmm.
and then this input box on submit,
Not on submit.
on change.
Yep.
Yeah, on change.
The input field doesn't have an on submit, right? It's only the form.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we have this dot on text change.
Mm-hmm.
This dot on text change, and then we'll come here and create text change. On text change equals
This is where we stopped actually.
yeah, but there's something that he explained.
Yeah, what he explained. So what he tried. So what he tried out is, for instance, if you add the So if you add some bulk text there, and if you go now to the browser,
Yeah.
this is there.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it should be there. Wait a minute.
It hasn't refreshed, or I haven't saved. Or did I do this dot?
Ah, something you missed. Do you see what you missed?
On text change, but this comes with this. Then on change,
What?
then
No, not in there. It's on the input where you miss something.
value.
Mm-hmm.
So value equals is state dot term.
Mm-hmm. You see, and now you have that in the search video, and you cannot even delete them too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're saying now I have this.
Yeah, and you cannot delete it.
Ah. Okay.
Because
that's because we have not done we have not set the state here.
Yeah, so basically the state of the app is frozen now. Because you set the term in the state already and nothing, so that's why it's important, like to make the component re-render. So so whenever the state changes, component re-renders, and that's the whole like thinking behind this. Like right now, the component will never re-render and in this state. It's gonna be like that. So even if you change the text, the component will stay the same because nothing makes it re-render. That's why on the text change, we're gonna have the set state probably in the next video. But let's see.
Okay. So we watch the next video.
Yeah.
Okay. Baby, no, don't cry. I've finished. Yeah. So just a minute, I'll come.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back. So the first thing that he did, he did set the state here. I think I forgot now. This is the set state for to be what was there?
Yeah. So when you change, when the input field is detecting a change, like everything is an event, right?
Yes.
So that's something we need to pass into this function, into this callback function, to deal with it.
Yeah, so it passes an event here. Then it's event dot is it input?
No, actually, if you want to play around with it, if you what you can do even is just console.log the event out. So even without setting the state, what you can do is just console log the event and see what properties are there, and just delete the this.stat state.
So we can have so that happens when okay, I have nothing here. And then let's change. This dot current target the target. Yeah, so it was this target dot value. But I think I can't expand target. So I think I remember it was this.
It's strange that it's not expandable actually.
Yeah. So get that value. Then after that, we added an on submit. Yeah. Equals this dot on form submit. And then yeah, I always forget. So on submit equals event so event that prevent default. This what this does is to prevent reloading of the form. Then he ordered to do implement callback from parent. When this comes, when I do so search part of this on text change.
Read it carefully what's there on that line.
This dot set state term is the targeted value.
Why we passed in the event if you don't use it?
Huh?
No.
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, and now I hope it's working.
Yes, it's not
You're not submitting.
submitting. And then was that all?
Yeah, that was it, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's search the next.
Yeah, let me look for Dan in case he's around. It seems not to be.
He says he tried to start.
Yeah.
But his connection went down.
Oh, you've already gotten in touch?
No, he sent it in the weekend collaboration, if you see. Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. So we can watch the next video. That's it.
It's a long one.
A long one. Okay. See you in a long time.
See you.
Yeah, you look like you have your key already.
Yeah.
So it's console. Console.google.com.
Console developers google.com. Actually, I had some in the past already. I already forgot them.
So I think I have project. I don't know which one this is for.
Sorry?
This one that I see that I have,
Yeah.
but I don't think it's for YouTube.
Yeah, it's better to create a new project completely then. That's the thing for me.
Yeah. Yeah. So did it create, how do I know? Oh yeah. But Peter, I did not select.
But are you in that project now?
Yeah,
in your new project?
Yeah, I'm in my new project. Like YouTube API.
YouTube API.
And then I think
Yeah, if you go there, okay. Let's let's go and search for the YouTube API in the search bar, because that's not sure if you created credentials for YouTube or anything. You don't know what you are creating the credentials for.
yeah.
There.
Yeah, okay.
YouTube Data API version 3. That's what we are looking for.
Oh, so I think my name is confusing me.
Oh, it's fine.
So I should enable this guy. Then I come here. The JS. That's to be a string.
That's a string.
Okay. And then I think restrict key.
Yeah, if you want to, but honestly, no one will use that.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yep. So.
But then you need some extra setup. Can you go back, please, to the YouTube screen? Yeah. So where will be the API will be called from, right?
Yeah, I think I already did that.
Ah, you did that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think in the key, this one.
The one that has, okay.
Yeah, I don't
All right.
know where they've taken it. They should list it somewhere, this one.
I see, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so I think that's it for the long video. Now
Yeah, let's see the next one.
the next Yeah. You're done with the video?
Yeah, I did. I'm just I need to open up this YouTube API documentation. Do you have it already open?
API search.
Oof. Search.
Yeah, so what he has said, the important thing on this page is this.
There is this URL somewhere.
Yeah, there's this URL.
Mm-hmm.
Is it this one?
Yeah,
where we have we have
exactly.
it up this. So what he did, he came here and did just a moment.
Okay.
Hey.
You're back?
Yeah. So I think first thing he did was to import.
Yeah, I think it's actually even better to install first Axios, not import it, right? So it's just so strange.
Yeah. But actually, it will take a while on my machine due to the connection.
Oh, that's okay.
Npm Axios install.
I'm not sure if you can change the order in npm. It's npm install, but maybe you can. I have no idea. You already hit enter.
Yeah.
So there's -- save.
Oh shit.
To save it into the package JSON. It's actually really it's before npm install -- save Axios. That's the order. It's actually really similar how bundler works. So it's creating this package.lock JSON. It's similar how the gemfile.lock is created.
Yeah. Actually, yesterday I was seeing something that does the .log for Python. You know, we've never had it in Python.
You don't have this in Python, the log file.
The log file now. Yeah, normally we use the requirements.txt, which is just a text file showing all the installed dependencies. So
really,
every time
it's in a text file.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So yesterday I found something but they're saying that for it to be implemented in Python, it will be in the next 4 or 5 years. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm thinking about learning Python in a few months.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Let's learn everything.
No, definitely not. So I'm never gonna learn, for instance, PHP potentially. I'm never gonna learn Java, for instance. There are some things I try to avoid at any cost. So Java is definitely one of them, and the PHP with the whole infrastructure. Or I'm potentially never gonna learn C or C++, because that's so low level. Like, it's really valuable if you know it, but to know it properly, those languages are so on a low level that you have to create everything for yourself. So even for a for loop, you have to create your own loop. So or in everything. So every method which is really comfortable in Ruby or basically any other languages, you create yourself, and that's something I don't want to do, honestly.
Yeah.
Or C#. So this kind of stuff I will not, probably these are the five, like Ruby, Python, and JavaScript gonna be the ones
Yeah.
I'm gonna focus on, but the rest.
I don't know whether I'm doing it right.
Yeah.
So.
But there is an object then, so it's a JavaScript object inside of create.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he has a base. Oh shit. I don't know whether I should leave this.
I think it was with search, no? Or it was without?
I don't know.
Oh. It was without. It was without, okay.
And then here we have the the header.
Yeah, those kind of stuff actually. It's a params.
Params. Yeah. So part is snippet. Then we have max result.
Dan is disappeared. He has disappeared.
Max result is 5. And then key. Yep.
Key is key. Yeah.
Key is key. And then we don't pass the term yet because we will only give it when we are using this. So I think this is all he did.
Not really. So there's one single thing which missing. Is currently the Axios only stays in this file. So how do you make this Axios object to work in other parts of the application?
So export.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not 100% sure how this works. I've seen it before in Node.js, honestly, but probably Joseph can explain way better what happens in this case. So what is this export default? So
Yeah.
I remember in Node.js this was the only way to require other files, but I'm not sure what's actually happening when you export.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. So
I think that's
I was even asking myself because um, when we do like when we in like this file, we normally import React,
mhm.
but when we say, for example, um, just const uh, we don't use whatever we are importing here directly. So does it what difference does it make importing React here when we are
Mhm.
using function component?
That's a good. One guess I can have is that it's it's whenever you want to send props, for instance.
Yeah.
Uh,
So if I add props here.
yeah, then I think that's something that detected by React, and then everything works the way as in the React word.
Okay.
So, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think maybe also the syntax is detected, so it can, yeah. So when you
Okay.
have only a functional component and not a class component, mm, why does it matter? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe one guess I can have is that one is the props, and second is that it detects the syntax. So if you do it this way, then React as a library will go through every single line of code you wrote in that file, and if it detects like the structure of something like this, then it knows that's a React component.
Oh.
But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But that's something I can imagine because that's not a big deal. So it only has to detect there is an arrow function and there is a return inside of it. So
Yeah.
and then it's a React component. And if there is a render, then it's a class component. So it can be like identify if it's a class component and also if it's a functional component. But I don't know. Let's ask Joseph. That's a good question, I think, to write down maybe, even to maybe ask in the group, in the
Oh,
chat.
okay. I think I'll ask in the chat.
That's a good one. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I have no idea how it detects.
Okay. So.
Yeah, let's watch the next one.
Whoa.
But
Next section, we're going to try out that YouTube API from our app
Yeah, I finished.
Okay.
So I think what he does is to create a callback for
Yeah, I just finished now.
okay. I think I had less distractions then.
No, I had to go to the toilet.
Oh, okay. So what he does, he creates on text submit. Yeah.
It's yeah. Oh wait, why do you need a const before?
Oh, okay. So that's on text submit.
Mm-hmm.
So here he has on form submit. She's distracting me here. Form submit equals.
It's an object, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do pass term? I don't think so. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so we go to the search bar,
Yes.
and then on this
Mm-hmm.
we call this the props
Mm-hmm.
dot confirm submit.
Was it on form submit?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes. Okay.
And then we have this dot state the term.
Mm-hmm.
So I think what he did here first was to console log.
Not there.
Yeah, here.
Mm-hmm.
He console logged the term.
Mm-hmm.
Just to see if Baby, no. So I stopped it. I stopped my app. So enda kwa mama. Enda kwa mama. It's taking a while. Yeah, so console, clear this guy. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, and then now we are going to import YouTube. From
This advantage that we can give whatever name we want to it, right? So import YouTube, it can be import animals, import zoo, you know, anything. Basically, we give it a name.
Yeah.
We are free to give it a name.
Yep. And then here now we have and then here now we have YouTube.get. Then was it search?
Yes, but in a
And then we have params. It's also an object. It has I don't know what else the param has. But this now we can.
Yeah, it seems okay.
This now we can go here and see if in our network. How do I make this appear on the left?
It's on. Yeah, it's there. If you click on the right one.
Yeah. Right. So now it doesn't.
It should. You can close this. What's the highlight of the new Chrome 71 update thingy? That's useless now on the bottom.
Where?
On the bottom you have this. What's new in Chrome? So, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. So you can clear all of them. Yeah, like that, and click on XHR.
XHR.
Because XHR gonna be the Ajax retest, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and there is a search going on. You see, if you click on that one, you should open. Yeah, there's a preview window.
So preview.
And inside of this is an object, right? So this is what came back. So that the search was successful. This represents.
Yes. But then there's a place he was showing us some.
Yeah. So if you click on items, you're gonna see those are the individual videos.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was it for this video.
Yeah, that was it for the video.
Yep. Let's go for the next one.
Okay, sure.
All right.
Yep.
Yay.
You finished as well.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing is to add the sync. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And do const equals await.
Mm-hmm. I don't like honestly. So my personal preference is the not use this async await and use the regular like promise system, because for me that's more natural than this one. But I don't know. He thinks it's simpler than the. But I don't know. For me, it's actually more confusing than the how it is in naturally. Yeah.
I've never used the promise, so maybe I'll just stick to the one I know.
Yeah. Surely.
Yeah. So and then I think what it does is to console log.
Mm-hmm. The response.
And this uh,
200 is always a good sign, right?
yeah.
It's already.
It should be in green, man.
Yeah.
The whole message will be in green.
It's true. So actually, 200 could be green if yeah. I think Google should, like Chrome should, make it color. That's true.
The data.items, these are the videos. So that's what he was saying, that now he wants to set this to the state
Mm-hmm.
videos.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And now anytime we do an text submit, we do this dot set state. For I think this will be videos.
Mm-hmm.
This response. That
why is it this does response?
I don't know. Yeah, I was going to ask myself, like, why does he not create like const this dot response? But I'm thinking that this is not it's not a class variable. It's not a class.
Yeah, it's just a wrap variable to store.
So it's available just within this scope. And when we add this, now it will be available all over. So response data.
But we are still in that scope. That's why I don't need it. You see, so exactly. So you're still in there.
Yeah.
So if you check the curly braces, this set state is still in the on text submit scope. That's why you can use the response just by this, because you don't need any reference to it.
Yes. Yeah, I think so.
A lot of people think that the this and the how it works and why it's just that's the weakest part of the whole language, they say.
Yeah.
So if there could be a better logic, then that would replace this. That would be a big improvement to JavaScript.
Yeah, actually, I think it was 2 years ago. I was reading the book JS The Good Parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think the thing that still baffled me was the scope. I did not understand it well. Yeah, but I think with practice it just comes in naturally.
Yeah. I think the biggest like mistake what they made is that this by default, if you call it in a normal JavaScript, so not even React, it's related to the actual window, so the document you are looking at. So it's painful. So that's why I told you I think the best way is to console log this whenever you don't know where this relates to. So you just console log this, and then you see.
Yeah.
So this is the window, like by default. This is the actual window of the browser, and so I always do this. So whenever I have like, okay, so I don't know this, or it's like really nested functions, then I was like, okay, so where is this now? And then just console log it, and then I can make changes based on that.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, makes sense.
It's terrible.
So now I'm not sure if I remember. So we have the state set. And when we search, we get the result. I don't know whether he went further.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Just check if this works. Yeah.
So,
But we're not. Yeah. Just clean the. It's again. Okay.
Yeah. We have.
Yeah, the items.
All
right. Yeah. So now I need to go, Mike. But what do you think if we continue tomorrow?
Yeah.
Is that?
Same time?
Potentially not the same time. But what's the time for you now? It's 8 p.m. as well, or 9 p.m.?
It's 10 p.m.
Oh, 10 p.m. So you're 2 hours away. Okay. So yeah, I think we can do it. Let's see. I cannot really promise actually, because I have work tomorrow to do.
Okay.
But
yeah, I think we can we can. I can just ping to know, and then when we have time, we can just continue.
Okay. No, you can also go further. So that's also fine to go further. Maybe I will also find time, but late night, which is for you, it's even later. So it's also fine if you go further, and then we discuss when we reach the end where was like some kind of issues, or you can just send me message that you have some issues here, or you didn't, but eventually you're gonna make it work, right? So
yeah.
So that's also fine for me, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I don't want to hold you up just because I cannot work. So
yeah,
just go further, and then let's see if in the end it's gonna, like, if you have any questions maybe, or I have, or it didn't work out, or it worked out. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe you can also ask Joseph, like, what the question you had is, it was really good.
Yeah. Okay.
This kind of stuff. All right, Mike, then have a great evening. I don't know if Dan is going to join back, honestly, or...
Yeah, I think next weekend he will.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But I think I think he did not reach out to Federico, so maybe I'll tell Federico to...
Oh, yeah.
To him, because maybe he didn't feel comfortable. So maybe I'll initiate the conversation.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Thank you, Mike.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.